Hello guys, welcome to EduTech Tutorial. Guys, in this video I will show you how to earn lots of rewards in event section. Okay, so there is a event going on right now. You can check in your Last War Survival game. In event section you can see the general's trial is going solo and also with alliance challenge, so you can earn lots of rewards for completing both of them. Okay, you can see in reward section right here there are lots of things given right here, like hero xp, rare, ultra shades, or diamonds, or more of skill points. Okay, so there are three difficulty levels given right here. You can see level 1, level 2, level 3. You can complete up to 30 challenges and get all these rewards. Okay, so there's also given here defeat 10 instructors to obtain all these rewards one by one. So to get these all rewards you just have to complete the difficulties given to your challenge. Like I have selected difficulty level 3. There are level 1, 2, 3. You can choose wisely by your base power. Okay, if your power is more you can select 3. Participant conditions are given here. You can see base level must be 8 or higher. Only one difficulty level can be selected for each event. I have chosen 3. There are level 1, level 2, level 3 difficulty levels. Choose accordingly. Unlock subsequent difficulty levels by completing all challenges at the current difficulty. You can play solo or with alliance. Okay, commanders can either individually challenge instructors or rally allies for a joint attack. So you will get both the options to play this mode. Okay, so there's a challenge option given here to start. Okay, click on this link. Sorry, click on this button and you will get to the Vanguard instruction. And to play solo, click on this, and with alliance click on this. So I am going solo right now, and you just have to march on them one by one. You have to complete 10 tasks. You can also click here that you just have to complete 10 and you will get I'll show you rewards I got. Okay, so you can also claim this. The rewards are higher than usual. Okay, you can click right on this button to get to the next level and to defeat next Vanguard instructor. You can deploy all your troops to make it fast. Okay, you just have to send all your troops. You can send them all and complete it I have to just defeat 4 more to get all the rewards. So I'm just sending more troops one by one to complete it fast. So it can be more conditions and all the rewards I'm getting. I hope this in event section the progress. just go to event, and you can also see from reward section that I have completed 8 out of 10 Vanguard instruction challenge. So I have to complete 2 more and I will get the rewards. So I'm sending all the troops as soon as possible. You can also heal your heroes because they also get damage from these Vanguard instructors. So I have stamina can be useful to compete in these matches. You have to at least 10 stamina per march. Completed it and I can claim right from here, or you can also go to event section, reward section, and you can also claim this from the event section. You can see I got diamonds and all the rewards, and I will compete up to level 30 to obtain all these rewards. Okay, so you can see difficulty levels and compete it wisely with it. I hope this video is useful to you. Then please subscribe and